Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the DNB app crashing. First, you're going to swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for DNB, swipe it away completely, closing it, then open it again. Temporary glitches can sometimes cause the apps to crash. Next, restart your phone to refresh the system. Then head over to your App Store, search for DNB, and check if the app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store or App Store. Updates often fix bugs that cause crashes, so update your app. If the problem continues, uninstall the DNB app and reinstall it from the official App Store. After reinstalling it, log in again and check if the app works normally. That's how you fix the DNB crashing. Subscribe for more simple